In this video, I want to show you how to connect your iPhone to your Brother Work Smart MFC-J1360DW. I'll also show you how to print using Wi-Fi and how to get the scan results directly on your phone. So let's get started right away. Step number one is to go on your printer, and we need to connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone is currently connected to. You're going to press once on this Wi-Fi button. Then you're going to select Find Wi-Fi Network and press OK. You may have to press the right side arrow to enable the Wi-Fi if it was not already enabled. Now you're going to have a few Wi-Fi networks presented to you. You can navigate using the up and down arrow. Select your Wi-Fi network in blue and press OK. Now it's time to type the password of your Wi-Fi. If your password has capital letters, you need to go on the lower left side, press OK, and everything will change to capital letters. If you have numbers, in that case, you need to select this icon over here, and it will switch to numbers. Press again, and it will switch to symbols. Now, once you have typed the password, go ahead and select OK and press OK as well. You're going to get connected, WLAN connection successful. Now here's the thing, if you simply want to print using your iPhone, you do not need to download any apps at this point. If you want to scan and get the results on the iPhone, then we will need to download the Brother app. So let me show you how to print without the app, and then I'll show you how to scan with the app. So you're going to open any pictures, any PDF file, anything that you wish to print. If you want to print a picture, just go in the regular photo gallery and click on the one that you want to print. Then once it's on the display, you're going to find this icon down below. It's a square with an arrow pointing up. If you do not see it down below anywhere, maybe it's on the top. So look closely and tap on this icon. Then in the middle of the screen over here, you should see the print button. If it's not there, scroll down in this list and one of the options should be print. I'll simply tap on it. Then you're going to go on the top where you see printer, tap, and you're going to select your Brother MFC-J1360DW. And now you have a few different options, including the number of copies you want of that print. If you want to print in color or black and white, do you want to print on both sides of the paper? Most people will want, so make sure this is turned on. And then select the paper size you have input in your printer. And over here where you see media and quality, if you're going to print pictures and you want the maximum details, in print quality, instead of letting it to normal, select best. If you're going to print, let's say, a text file, in that case, normal has enough details. You don't have to change anything in this menu. Once you're ready, you're going to press the print button, the blue one right over here, and the print will be sent to your printer. Extend the paper output. And this printer prints quite fast, so let's wait a few seconds. Here we go. We got our printout. Looks beautiful. Now let me show you how to scan and get the results on your iPhone. So as I said previously, you will need to have the Brother Mobile Connect app on your iPhone if you want to scan. So go on the App Store, search for Brother Mobile Connect and download the app. This printer has two different scanners. Let me show you how to input paper in both of them. So first of all, we have the basic scanner over here. It's simply a scan glass. Take your document, going to place it facing down with the top part of your document towards the left side. And then we have to bring this corner over here of your paper so it touches this corner of the scanner, the one with an arrow. So simply bring until both are touching. Then you can close the scanner lid. To put a document on the top document feeder, it could be a document up to 15 pages. You're going to take your documents, put it facing down with the top part towards the left side, just like that. Before doing this, you can even extend this small flap so the paper doesn't come flying on the table. And if these over here were in this position, you can simply push them to the extremities and glide your paper or stack of paper right between them. On the Brother Mobile Connect app, let me open it. Here you're going to click on Skip, click on I agree and press OK. Press Next, press Don't Allow, OK. And down below you have the choice to add your machine to the app. So click on this button, it will search, and press Allow if you see this display. Select your Brother printer from the list, MFC-J1360DW. Press Skip, activate later, maybe later. Here you can press on Skip. Finally, we're gonna get the green check mark telling us that everything is great and connected. So press Exit Setup. Let's go back to the app. And if there is any update available for your printer, you're going to get this display and you can press OK and it will be installed on your printer. In this video, I don't want to do it since I simply want to show you how to scan, but I strongly encourage you to press OK and install any updates that are available. So this is the main display of the app. Quickly, okay, this is where the printer is. If you tap on it, you're going to see all your ink levels. And down below, it's the most used features, document print, photo print. But as I said, you do not need to go in the app if you want to do this. You can do it directly from the menu of your iPhone, which is a lot easier. But if you want to scan, you absolutely need to press this scan button. And over here, we have a few different options. So we have, if you want to scan in color or black and white, select your paper size and the scan resolution. 300 is the highest you can choose on your iPhone. But if you're going to connect this printer to a PC or a Mac computer, you'll be able to scan with a lot more details than this. So just so you know, 300 is not the maximum, it can go even higher. At the end, once you're done, press the scan button and the printer will automatically detect where you have input your paper, over here or over there. It knows. And as you see, the page appeared on my iPhone. If I had multiple pages, they will all be over here. Press done. And now we're not, the document is not saved on your iPhone yet. To save it, you absolutely need to press on save, on share save down below. But before doing this, you can click the very small cogwheel over here. Click on it and you'll be able to edit the name. So this is the default name of this document, but you can give it, I don't know, homework, or give it a custom title. Then you can select which kind of file do you want, JPEG, PDF, and the file size, just leave it to normal. If we go back, now you'll be able to click on share save and you'll be able to share it with your favorite contacts on your iPhone, on your favorite app. You can scroll left and right, or over here you can, for example, save image, which will save it on your iPhone. You can also save to files if you want to put it in a folder on your iPhone. If you simply want to print whatever you have scanned, select print. So this is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, and if you want to support my channel, check my Amazon links where I'll put links towards ink cartridges compatible with this printer, photo paper, plain paper, and even printers. comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.